Hello all my subscribers and strangers who are soon to become friends. So I'm training this combo today and I thought I'm just gonna upload it for you to train with me at the same time because I'm not perfect at this. I think you could learn this too. It's a very nice combo that helps you learn how to control your body when you're traveling across the dance floor. It starts off with 4 running man, then you're just traveling to one side, spinning around, doing crisscross, one way, crisscross inside, and we repeat everything again. Running man from the left, traveling to the left, around, and that's it. I'm just gonna show you back to you. Let's get into it. So we start from the right, 4 times running. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of continue doing running man, we're just gonna travel across to the right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And again from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the same from the right. I don't know if you saw me or if I'm leaving the frame. Hopefully you got this. I'm gonna show you this way. We start from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Out, out, in, and from the left running man. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left. Bum, bum, bum. Out, out, in, and again. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try it with the music. Alright, my practice time is finishing up right now. Practice this on your own free time. Throw it into your dance routine and you're gonna rock the floor. Because if you're just dancing on the spot, that's one thing. But if you can freely travel around the space and actually own the space, that's what we want. We want you to own this experience, to be present, to control everything, that when you go you don't fall, but rather you're present here. You don't go, you're always centered and you're always present. That's why we're doing this. Again, thank you for watching this. Hope you loved it. See you soon. Have an amazing day.